Ang lambot ng manibela, naka full stop tayo, hindi pa tayo tumatakbo. So, paakyat tayo, tingnan natin. So, at this position, very comfortable, confident ako na nakikita ko sa front. Alright guys, hi! So we are now inside the Mitsubishi X-Force 2025 and kasama natin dito si
Rafael po.
Rafael ng Mitsubishi Global City. Okay, so kakaupo lang natin, push start button. So far, first impression ko pag-upo, maganda ang sitting position, maganda ang view ko sa harap. Maganda rin yung level ng seat, hindi ipit yung thighs ko. So, pwede ko pa to actually ibaba ng konti. This, by the way, is the GT version. This is the top of the line. Yes, two variants lang naman yung Mitsubishi X-Force. The GT and the GLS.
Yes po.
Okay.
GT and GLS lang.
GLS. Tama. Okay. So, ayusin ko lang ang upuan ko. Okay. Let's go.
Sir, parking brake.
Okay, parking brake. Nakalimutan ko. Sige, mauna sila. Ang lambot ng manibela, naka full stop tayo, hindi pa tayo tumatakbo. Ramdam na ramdam ko, malambot yung manibela. Ang ganda ng headlights, naka-LED to no?
Yes sir, LED po.
Ang ganda ng cut-off. I think yung Kelvin niya is around 6,000, 6,500. Sakto lang. Na feel ko yung feel ko yung ganda ng ilaw inside the parking of SM Aura. Whoops, sarap ng suspension. So, there's 4 of us here. Me as the driver. Tapos, and of course si Rafael, and meron tayong Marshall sa likod na mahihain. And my wife. So, sakto lang yung load natin, 4 passengers. Although this SUV is actually meant for 5 passengers.
Yes, 5 seater.
Okay. Diretso tayo? Turn left. Okay, so ang route natin is around Taguig lang naman, around BGC, right?
Yes, sir.
So, hopefully may madadaan ba tayong medyo pataas or something?
Ito sir,
Aakyat tayo, yeah, para ma-feel natin yung power. Oops. So far at low speed, maganda yung laro ng suspension. Especially sa likod, na feel ko na medyo malambot, medyo comfy. And right now we are in eco mode.
Yes sir.
O normal?
Eco mode po tayo.
Kaya eco mode tayo.
Sir, turn right po tayo.
Turn right tayo dyan. Okay. Wet. Normal.
Yan sir, normal.
So, paakyat tayo. Tingnan natin. Bigyan natin ng konting space. Ang ganda ng manibela. Okay, sakto lang yung power. This is a 1.5 engine. CVT. Responsive yung CVT niya. Sakto guys. We just got back from Sagada. Dala ko yung again, magko-compare na naman tayo, of course. Mas responsive to ng konti yung transmission niya compared dun sa Subaru XV ko. Pero iba pa rin yung pitik nung Toyota Altis na 2018 ni Sir Alex. Okay, so those who have been following our channel, alam nyo kung sino yung mga tinutukoy ko. Nag-test drive tayo nung Altis, ng Ford Territory, so mako-compare talaga natin. Okay. Diretso, no?
Middle lane na tayo.
Middle lane, okay. Naka-eco mode. Ayan. Maganda ang response. Maganda ang acceleration. Naka-eco mode lang tayo. Nice. Ang ganda rin ng level. Sakto lang yung level ng dashboard. Nakikita ko yung hood. Again guys, I'm only 5'6". So at this position, very comfortable. Confident ako na nakikita ko sa front and left and right. Actually, parang gusto ko pang ibaba ng konti Parang medyo relax pa yung pagkakaupo ko. Teka. Wala na siyang adjustment ng height no?
Wala na sir, ano na lang. Ito na lang po.
Ay, ito.
Ito sir.
Rotary
Yes,
yung adjustment
yung
ng
bilog po.
Yung bilog. So, rotary yung adjustment ng upuan. Ayan, eto mas comfortable ako. So, I got even a bigger headroom tapos medyo na-relax ako ng konti, naka-sit back ako, and I can still see the hood. So okay siya. Ang lambot ng steering wheel, ayun o. Hindi naman kaya one finger, but habang traffic, subukan nga natin, testingin natin yung speed niya. So isagad muna natin sa left. So sagad sa left. 1 2 and 3/4. Ayos lang, sakto lang. Subaru XB kasi 2.5, and ma-appreciate mo yung kapag mabilis ang steering ratio mo. Pag mabilis, mas ma-appreciate mo siya kapag nasa mga twisty roads ka, katulad na na-experience namin sa Sagada. So lesser yung pagta-turn mo at mas responsive, mas maganda. But this one, may additional 1/4 lang naman siyang revolution. That's not bad. Okay, nandito na tayo sa may market and medyo traffic. So I was trying to play with the drive modes. Wala siya pala nung typical na nakikita natin from other cars. Merong eco mode, normal, or sport. Dito sa X-Force, parang more on terrain based yung drive mode niya.
Sir, U-turn.
U-turn tayo dito. Okay.
Yes sir, terrain siya kasi sir, designed for Asian weather.
Asian weather.
Yes sir. Especially Southeast Asia po.
Oh, okay. Ibig sabihin ba itong model na to, this is not available sa American market or Canadian
Hindi pa sir, nauna siya sa Indonesia.
Indonesia. Oh, okay. Maganda ang response, ha. Ayun. So medyo patalunin ko dito sa humps. Maganda. Kanina ko pa actually from the start pa lang napansin ko malambot sa likod. Comfortable. Medyo stiff ng konti sa front, sa likod.
Diretso, midalay mo.
Diretso. Yung brake niya, yung feel ng brake niya, okay naman, pero parang feeling ko medyo malalim ng konti. So you really need to press it a little bit deeper bago mo ma-feel na kumakagat siya. Kumusta ang comfort mo dyan sa likod? Maluwag, no? Ang haba pa ng ano mo, no? Haba pa nung yung knee room mo. I like the driving position. Maganda. Wala akong masyadong adjustment na ginawa. Maganda ang transmission. Maganda siya. Again guys, I know CVT to, pero like I've been mentioning, kahit pa CVT yan, if you are a very experienced driver, mafe-feel mo yan na nag-change, nag-a-adjust pa rin. I know, may iba kasi tayong viewer na nagko-comment sa akin, kaya nga daw CVT yan eh. Pwede dito?
Yes sir.
Kaya daw CVT hindi naman, wala lang gearing. But if you are a very experienced driver, mafe-feel mo na nag-a-adjust siya. And that is what I'm trying to say here. Nafe-feel ko yung pag-adjust niya, it's smooth. And again, i-compare ko na naman sa Subaru XV ko, hindi siya, yung Subaru medyo gumaganon eh. Nagja-jerk ng mga once or twice habang nag-a-adjust ng ratio ng CVT. Diretso kanan.
Kanan po sir.
Ito hindi, smooth siya. Almost as smooth as the Toyota Altis 2018 ni Sir Alex. And also the Ford Territory. Maganda. Ayan.
Turn right sir.
So, pabalik na tayo ng SM Aura. Short test drive lang naman to. Quick summary, I like the driving position. It's comfortable. Maganda yung I like the touch points na ginawa nilang soft. It feels premium, although there are still parts that you can see it's plastic, but okay na rin. Suspension kind of stiff sa front, malambot sa likod. I think for the rear passenger pa nag long drive, they're not gonna complain. Aside from the nice suspension at the back, very generous din yung room nila. And in terms of engine response, It's just right for a 1.5. Response ng transmission for a CVT, smooth siya. I've driven other CVTs na hindi kasing smooth, so kaya nako-compare ko. Although I've driven other CVT rin na mas responsive, like yung IVT na ni-review natin, iba pa rin yun. Iba, mas responsive pa rin ang IVT. But this one, it's a very comfortable SUV that you would enjoy driving on a daily basis. So, pang araw-araw mo pampasok sa office, if you're a young, small family, very comfortable. Occasional out of town trips, I think this would be very comfortable. The steering may not be as fast as the Subaru XV, pero a little bit slow lang, but I think in the long drive comfortable din siya. And right now I'm trying to avoid providing estimates ng fuel consumption, kasi pag nagte-test drive tayo ganitong maikli, may mga sudden burst, sudden acceleration tayo, syempre hindi maganda ang kalalabasan ng fuel consumption mo, di ba? Unless it's an actual fuel consumption test that I'm doing, hindi ko talaga sinasabi, ayaw kong magbigay, kasi nag-i-steer ng mga discussions yan ng argument eh. Sasabihin, ang konsumo naman pala niyan. Tsaka iba-iba nga yung traffic condition, yung driving condition, and they affect the fuel consumption.
So, tsaka regarding sa fuel consumption, medyo maraming things to consider po eh.
Exactly.
Like lakas ng aircon, gaano kabigat yung load.
Exactly.
Pwede ka sa right side.
Right side? Okay.
Siguro.
Yeah. Kaya as much as possible, kung gagawa ako ng fuel consumption test, itetest ko talaga na yun lang ang habol ko. Itetest ko siya with the normal driving condition, normal traffic, then mas realistic yung mabibigay kong figure. Since this test drive is focused on the engine performance, transmission performance, so syempre hindi natin iniisip muna yung fuel economy. So hataw-hataw tayo. Tara mo, ang bilis ko lang bumaba dito sa paikot na ramp ng SM Aura. Madali lang siya i-maneuver. So yung mga drive modes talaga natin is di umiikot eh, no? Normal, wet, gravel, and mud. Tama, wet naman talaga pang Asian eh, kasi wala naman tayong snow eh. 'Di ba yung mga ibang cars masyadong naka-tune sa American or Canadian weather. Nandun yung mga options mo, makita mo snow, wala naman tayong snow. Sun, wala naman masyado, para yung sa mga sa Middle East siguro. So maganda rin naman na ginawa ng Mitsubishi na tailored, yung drive modes niya is tailored to the Asian market, to the Asian drivers. NVH is very low, by the way, and road noise halos wala rin kanina, so very comfortable. So if you guys are interested, Mitsubishi Motors Global City is offering additional 10,000 pesos discount if you make a reservation between now, July 5 to July 7. Okay? And then if the unit is released before July 31st, you get an iWatch and an X-Force jacket. Okay? So as usual, ilalagay ko po dyan yung contact number ni Ma'am Beth. Kontakin niyo na lang po siya if you guys are interested. Okay, magpa-park tayo. Tingnan natin kung gaano siya kaganda, kadali i-park. So, ang ganda ng screen, ang liwanag. I mean, it's so wide. Clear din naman yung resolution, and there is an active guideline. Ayan. Pero honestly, ayaw ko masyadong tumingin dyan kasi nawawala yung, alam mo, pag old school driver ka, nasanay ka sa mga manual, wala pang maganyang technology. Kung minsan nakakaduling, nakakalito. Ang ending mo tuloy hindi ganun ka. But anyway, that's for additional safety. Ayan. Nice. Every time a Chinese car comes out in the market that is very stylish and packed with features, typical comment nating mga Pinoy is, kaya lang Chinese, sirain, tatagal kaya yan? So, here's the X-Force from Mitsubishi very stylish, loaded with features and technology, made by a reliable Japanese brand. Thank you guys for watching. Drive safe. Bye. If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are also on Facebook. Please like and follow our page.